Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how you can get a extra space for your phone with Telegram application. So open your Telegram applications right away, and the next thing you need to do is just tap into the settings, and now you just need to scroll a little bit down until you got this a data and storage, and then just tap it. Now take a look on the top side. There could be a storage usage, just tap on it, and now there will be information about the storage use on your Telegram informations here. So if you want to get more space, just tap into this clear entire cache here and then just confirm, and then you're just done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy today's tutorials. Hopefully we can still meet into upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.